University of Chitral is the first and currently the only university in Chitral located in the mountainous region of Chitral, in northwest of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The university is fairly new, it has been operational for 2 years. However, its history goes beyond that. The university was established after merging Abdul Wali Khan University and Shahid Benazir Bhutto University in the year of 2017. The university houses one of the biggest libraries in the district. The library also provides digital ebook to the students. The university currently provides degrees for undergraduates and graduates in a discipline in order to catch up with the competitive world. The university is adapting to the rapidly growing world. The university is also playing a vital role in empowering women in the region. Female students comprise of around 30% of the whole student strength. The university is equipped with the modern laboratory, state-of-the-art library, modern computer labs, and free Wi-Fi is provided on campus and hostels. In the short life of 2 years, the university has proved itself. It has surpassed other educational institutions and now overlooked to affiliated institutions in the district. The university believes co-curricular activities bring out the best in oneself and committed to provide ample opportunities to the students. The university houses a table tennis court, football ground, and the volleyball ground. Besides sports, the University of Chitral is a sole custodian of the unique culture of Chitral, and time to time organize different festivals and seminars to promote the culture, keeping the tradition alive. The University of Chitral has a polo team which participates in the regional tournaments. The University of Chitral provides hostel accommodation to the students belonging from far-flung areas of Chitral. However, this facility is only available for the female students. The university is proud of its students who are pursuing their studies despite all the circumstances. Such dedication and support of students has made the university a success.
Hello, hi, I am Alhaj, student of BScs first semester, and now I will tell you about the Chitral University. As you all people know that Chitral University is located in a very backward area, and you will see that Chitral University, in Chitral University we have an amazing environment. We are really enjoying in our university. And here in this university we have talented, amazing and well qualified, punctual and hard workers teachers. That's why we all are very satisfied from our teachers. And in our university, our university administration provides all the facilities for us. And here we have an amazing and productive learning environment. Thank you.
Teachers are very cooperative, devoted and determined to their jobs. The university is also providing facilities like labs, hostel and transport as well. So I'll suggest you to come and be a part of our institution.
University of Chitral is hopeful that the students of this institute will contribute to the development of the nation by applying their skill in industries, corporate and government sectors. As the motto of the university states, become what you want to be, there is no limit to what a UOCGN can be.